Alright guys, today we're going to go over how to draw a bee, a very cute bee. So let's get into it right now. And we're going to start with a circle. This is something, by the way, that anyone can do. Oh, I'm sorry, oval. Let's do an oval. This is a tutorial that anyone can do. Just grab a marker and join on in. If you need to rewind, forward, pause, anything, do that. Thank you so much. Let's get into it again. So now what we're going to do is we're going to have small lines across to show kind of a textured pattern on the wings themselves. Excuse me. And that's pretty much it. If you did that, that was really fast. You did the entire thing on your own, and that's all you need. If you really want, you can draw small lines for, let's say, legs. But that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If it was easy, if it was simple, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon. So you can get notifications every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I will see you guys next time. Please say hi to me in the comments so I know that you...